Global Shop Solutions makes two-way communication between ERP and your nesting software easy. To begin, within Global Shop Solutions, select the parts and jobs you wish to send to be nested. This interface can be populated based on date range, the due date, part number, parent work order, or by job. Now that you have your parts selected, click Export to send them to your nesting software. In this video, we feature SigmaNEST as an example, but we also have integrations with other popular nesting software programs. Once your selection has successfully exported, you can program the parts within the nesting software if they haven't been programmed already. To nest the parts, select all the parts you wish to include on the nest and click OK. This screen in SigmaNEST will be used to update the programs we have created. This will send data back to Global Shop Solutions from SigmaNEST. Here we can see our parts, material issued, number of pieces, our sheet size, and our total sheets used. This can be rounded up to a whole number when we record this data. This interface is also available on the shop floor data collection station, so the operator will record this data once they are done punching the sheet. Once the nest is posted, you will have the actual material and actual labor or machine time that is now viewable within the Global Shop Solutions work order for the nested part. Here you will see the material used, the machine, and a description of it as well. Here we can review our part and job and see the material and labor details above.